lot of popping. Okay. Alright. I'm getting some hissing from the leak. I still haven't got the gasket in, so I can't fix that yet. Blew out a lot of white smoke from the exhaust, but I guess that's normal for not running. Sounds strange though. I don't know. Probably because it's completely missing the donut, so that could be what's causing the irregular sound. Plus, it's I've got the fast idle lever was on, and I turned it off, and it made no change to the RPM. So probably just have to adjust the idle thingy bob there. But other than that, Bob's finally running. And oh yeah, the tank gasket did end up holding. I didn't have it tight enough, so apparently once you put that new gasket on there, it requires you to cinch it down to about 15 pounds opposed to the, I don't know, 3 or 4 that it's supposed to be. So that was the problem there. But so right now all I gotta do is finish wiring up the blinkers and change out that magneto gasket, and we're good to go. Fucking finally.